The 2023 Kia XCeed GT-Line is the ultimate blend of style and power. This tiny crossover is ready to take on highways with a sleek, aggressive appearance and a 160 HP engine. Prepare for a ride with the GT upgraded line's LED lighting, broader grille, and unique 18-inch wheels. Expect to turn heads as you drive the new generation XCeed GT-Line in new paint colors, be it Lemon Splash, Yuca Steel Gray, or Celadon Spirit Green. So strap in and join us as we test drive the all-new Kia XCeed GT-Line. The head and tail lights of the 2023 Kia XCeed are futuristic and attractive. The headlights use LED technology to provide brilliant, energy-efficient lighting with full LED units available on the higher-spec versions. The lights were meant to complement the car's sleek and aesthetic appearance and contribute to the vehicle's overall road presence. The tail lights are equally fashionable, incorporating LED technology to provide a crisp and distinct rear lighting character. The XCeed's secure and confident on-road attitude is enhanced by both head and tail lights. The stylish and sporty 18-inch alloy wheels on the XCeed match the vehicle's lively and quick personality. The black rims give the XCeed a slick and aesthetic appearance, while the carefully tailored tire pattern improves grip and handling for an exciting driving experience. The GT-Line rims and tires will keep you comfortably in control, whether you're traveling winding roads or managing downtown traffic. Customers can choose various innovative powertrains in the Kia XCeed GT-Line. 3 turbocharged petrol direct injection engines are available: a 3-cylinder 1.0-liter TGD, a 4-cylinder 1.5-liter TGD, and a high-power 1.6-liter TGD engine. The most powerful engine is the 1.6-liter TGD, which produces 204 PS and 265 Nm of torque. Long-distance travelers can choose between a diesel mild hybrid electric vehicle powertrain and a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. A plug-in hybrid powertrain option is also available for the Kia XCeed, which combines a lithium polymer battery pack, an electric motor, and a 1.6-liter GD engine. This powertrain has an all-electric range of 48 kilometers, can produce up to 101 PS and 265 Nm of torque. The gearbox options are a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, with a plug-in hybrid 1.6-liter variant only available with the dual-clutch information. So, what are you waiting for? Feel the excitement of sophisticated powertrains when you get behind the wheel of the Kia XCeed GT-Line. There is no need to sacrifice comfort in the XCeed's front seat. You will have plenty of space to stretch out and get cozy with plenty of head, leg, and shoulder room. And compared to regular hatchbacks, getting into the XCeed is a breeze because of the elevated suspension. So, whether you're tall or short, you'll find it easy to settle in. And, in terms of storage, the XCeed excels. There are door bins large enough to carry a little bottle, a deep cubby hole, cup holders, a phone tray, and a decent-sized glove box. Everything you need to keep your ride organized. While the XCeed has plenty of capacity for family car chores, rear seat headroom for adults can be a little tight. If you are tall, you should seek elsewhere. However, the back seats of the XCeed are spacious enough for children to stretch out. With an enormous 426-liter capacity, the XCeed's boot is a game-changer, outperforming most of its competitors. With a height-adjustable floor, you can have even more space or make loading easier. Pack large suitcases, a stroller, or everything else you may require for your next journey. The XCeed has you covered. If you need even more space, the back seats fold into 2 sections, allowing you to transport heavy things. Keep an eye out for the slanted rear window and you'll be fine. Prepare to feel at home inside the XCeed, since the inside is identical to that of its hatchback sibling, the Ceed. The XCeed is a sleek and functional vehicle with a roomy cabin and an easy-to-use infotainment system. Its interior design is uncomplicated and familiar, letting drivers feel at ease for the moment they step inside. The heating and ventilation systems are controlled via buttons and knobs, and the driver's dials are easy to see and provide all the information you require. The XCeed's infotainment system is one of the most notable features. Every trim level includes a sharp, quick 10.25-inch touchscreen display with navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, and access to all car settings. The 3 and 4 versions also have a wide range of apps, allowing you to stay connected while on the go. The top spec 4 adds more features, such as a 12.3-inch digital driver's display, leather seats, a wireless charging pad, and an opening panoramic sunroof. Whether driving to work or having a family road trip, the XCeed offers everything you need to make your journey joyful and stress-free. Prepare for an exciting ride in the Kia XCeed. This car promises an enjoyable driving experience in any situation thanks to its bespoke suspension tuning, smaller dimensions, lower center of gravity, and decreased bulk. Every aspect has been carefully engineered for the optimal comfort and driving satisfaction, from the smooth and progressive suspension response to the rapid steering inputs. The XCeed's front hydraulic rebound stoppers, which come standard in all models, set it apart from the competition. These stoppers provide a smooth ride over bumpy terrain, preventing body bounce and delivering response steering and increased body control. For stability and comfort, the spring rates are 7% softer in the front and 4% softer in the rear, while the dynamic damper lowers road noise and vibrations when driving. Take command of your driving experience with Kia Drive Mode Select technology, which allows you to fine-tune your driving experience. Switch between Eco, Normal, and Sport setting to change steering weight, throttle responsiveness, and gear shift responses. Prepare for unforgettable journey in the Kia XCeed. The Kia XCeed is well equipped in terms of safety and security. Although Euro NCAP has not tested it, its hatchback sibling, the XCeed, achieved a solid 4-star or 5-star rating with optional safety equipment. You can drive confidently knowing the XCeed has your back with standard features like automated emergency braking.
A road is a complex environment with vehicles and people moving in unexpected ways. Many accidents are caused by late braking or braking with insufficient force. Kia's Autonomous Emergency Braking, or AEB, uses a radar sensor located at the front of the vehicle and a camera mounted inside the windscreen to monitor the road ahead to detect and react to a potential collision with a vehicle, pedestrian,
lane keeping assist, driver intention monitoring, speed limit recognition, and adaptive cruise control. While some car security experts are concerned about the XCeed's keyless entry fobs being hackable,
however, using this same feature, thieves can actually acquire key signatures using a signal booster and relay the signal to the car, fooling the vehicle into thinking that the key is within proximity. Car door unlocks, engine starts, and the car is stolen. One way around this is to get a signal blocker or a Faraday pouch. In essence, Faraday pouches can help prevent your car from being stolen.
there is a simple solution. Invest in a Faraday bag to put your key in. It prevents any communications from being intercepted and keeps your vehicle safe. The XCeed has a good track record in terms of dependability and issues. Kia is regarded for delivering dependable, well-made vehicles and has topped owner satisfaction surveys. There have been no recalls or severe problems with the XCeed to date. And with Kia's 7-year, 100,000-mile guarantee, you can rest assured that you will have a long-term manufacturer support for your vehicle. Kia produces both the Ceed and the XCeed, but the XCeed is a crossover variant of the Ceed hatchback. The XCeed sports a higher ride height and rougher appearance than the Ceed. It also boasts distinctive suspension tuning and distinct interior design. The Ceed is advertised as a compact hatchback, while the XCeed is sold as a compact crossover. To summarize, the 2023 Kia XCeed is a high-quality vehicle that combines functionality, style, and performance uniquely. It's an attractive choice for anyone searching for a flexible car that's both enjoyable and practical. Thanks to its sophisticated and well-appointed interior, large cabin, and engaged driving dynamics, incorporating additional safety and security measures makes it even more appealing option. So, what are your thoughts on the 2023 Kia XCeed? Have you had the opportunity to test drive one, or have you considered purchasing one? Please share your thoughts in the comments box below. We hope this video was helpful to you. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel to receive more informative stuff like this. Thanks for tuning in.